Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, we would see the details about the dipping sonar which would be installed on the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk helicopters, which is being inducted by India from Sikorsky. Just to revisit the deal of 24 MH-60R choppers, we all know that during Trump's visit to India during 2019, the United States approved a sale of 24 anti-submarine Hunter helicopters to India, including the spare parts for around 2.6 billion US dollars. These multi-mission helicopters will boost Indian Navy's power and provide them with the capability to perform anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare missions. Before getting into details about the dipping sonar which would be provided by the Raytheon for Indian Navy's MH-60R helicopters, first let's understand what actually is a dipping sonar. A dipping sonar is a small device that is lowered into the water from a hovering anti-submarine warfare helicopter and recovered after the search is complete. To be more precise, a dipping sonar system is normally deployed from helicopters hovering over a specific point, and the operational mode is to dip the sonar at that particular point in the ocean to either listen for sound signatures or emit active pings from the submarines and analyze the response. The integrated dipping sonar system, which would be provided by Raytheon, will enable the MH-60R helicopters to accomplish the assigned anti-submarine warfare missions of submarine detection, tracking, localization, and classifications very easy. It also performs missions related to acoustic intercept, underwater communications, and environmental data acquisitions. The sonar which we are talking about here is Raytheon AN AQS-22. The speciality of this particular sonar is that it is the only in-service dipping sonar with multi-frequency operation which enables it to adapt its performance to varying environment conditions. With a rapid search rate, these sonars identify and neutralize threats sooner, enabling it to cover a larger area. The other important feature of these sonar is that these sonars don't need any expensive in-unit sonar batteries since the power for them is provided by the helicopters. The AN-AQS-22 also permits a longer detection range over a wider area, reducing the number of helicopters required to perform the active anti-submarine warfare screening. At 272 kg, the AN-AQS-22 impressively balances the capability and weight while delivering the highest degree of operational safety. These sonars are designed and tested to survive very harsh conditions without breaking. So the Sikorsky MH-60R helicopters equipped with these powerful sonars will obviously boost Indian Navy's power in the ocean. So that was a quick update on the Sikorsky MH-60R helicopters getting the low frequency sonars by Raytheon, and we also saw its features and usefulness. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with your new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.